Let's go for a ride, guys. Welcome back to the ATB channel, guys, and welcome back to this episode of the 7.7 event. In the last episode, we showed you us preparing the cars for the event and basically the process that we went through to get these cars detailed in prep for the 7.7 event. In this episode, we are showing you us leaving the house for the event, some rolling shots, which I am so excited to show you guys. We have some awesome rolling shots. Literally, we had a full camera team with a camera car. Man, it was so good. And then we're going to show you us arriving to the event, setting up, showing you some of the team, and basically getting the event started. I'm so excited to show you some of these shots. Let's get it. So guys, as you've seen, there's a few rolling shots of us guys on our way to the 7.7 event. The 7.7 event is at the British Motor Museum, which we will show you later in the video. But for now, I just want to tell you who's in each car. So this is Manoj's 735i individual in Avis Blue, an absolute beautiful car. In the second E38 is myself. I'm in a 728i Genuine Sports in steel blue, and it's riding on BC coilovers. And in the 8 series, which isn't a 7 series BMW, however Dom wanted to tag along to a big body BMW show, so we said why not, we are happy for you to join. In the fourth car is Jamil and Seema. This is the camera car. Jamil's doing the recording and Seema's doing the driving. We actually had a fifth car as well, which is Rosh and Rads, who were driving a Golf, and that was carrying all our equipment for the show. So things like the gazebo, camera equipment, table chairs, and some basic tools. As mentioned, we are hosting this event at the British Motor Museum. The British Motor Museum is a family-friendly museum offering a colourful insight into the British motor industry. So it is a brilliant venue to host anything automotive and perfect for automotive enthusiasts. Here is a awesome aerial shot of the venue just to show you how beautiful this venue is and how perfect it is to host an automotive event. So ATB team has now arrived at the 7.7 event and we are setting up. Here are some of our microfiber products that ATB displays. We will be sharing these on our e-commerce website very soon. We also had Work Magazine at this event, who had a stand showcasing some of their magazines and stories around BMW 7 Series. Work Magazine, along with Matt Bavaria, who was representing the BMW Car Club GB, were also co-hosts of this event alongside the ATB team. At this stage, there was a mixture of things going on. We were setting up, people were arriving, we were welcoming people, we were having chit chats. Everything was going amazingly well until this happened. Yep, the heavens opened up. We are in the middle of summer and we are experiencing rain. This is typical British weather. Anyway, after a little while it did clear up and the rain stopped, and we carried on with welcoming people to the event. As you can see, the weather didn't let the team down. They are all happy and joyful and optimistic about this event. I just want to say thank you guys for watching this episode of the 7.7 event. We have some exciting things coming in the next episode. We are going to show you guys some interviews with some of the owners of the 7 series that you are seeing, and we are going to be talking to some of the people that attended the event. Again, thank you guys for joining us in this episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It really helps us and our channel grow, and we will see you on the next one.